Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you some tips and tricks for Ultra 10x Optical zoom that you can find on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So, how can you even use the zoom in the first place? Well, luckily for us, it is very easy. All you want to do is head into your camera and you will see the zoom options right here. Now we can take, for example, a little flower pot like this. And now if you want to zoom, we can just click, or even better, we can drag and change it dynamically. And you can notice that, for example, after we hit the 3x mark, we are actually changing the camera itself, which may result in some weird optical illusions and something that might look like a mistake or an error on the recording. So you want to be very careful when you do that. And of course, we technically have even more zoom, but this is no longer the physical zoom. It is the telephoto zoom. So if you want to have still a good video quality, I would advise you to stick to the 10x zoom. And even then, you can see that our lenses are switching the moment I go into the exact 10x zoom. So yeah, you want to be very careful about that. But anyway, how does the quality of the zoom actually look? Well, luckily for us, it is pretty good looking. If we go to photos, let's not connect, got it. As you can see, this is the 1x zoom, so no zoom at all. And I will just continue going further. So this is 2x zoom, 3x zoom, 6x zoom, and lastly, the maximum 10x zoom. And I would say it looks pretty okay, especially on the photo. But luckily for us, we can also use it on a video. 1x zoom, 2x zoom, 3x zoom, 6x zoom, and 10x zoom. Yeah, and I wanted you to notice that when I switch from 2x zoom to 3x zoom, you can see a little shift in the recording. Now this is because our lenses are like quite literally changing. So as a little trick from me, if you are dynamically changing the zoom quality, make sure to stick to 1x zoom or 2x zoom maximum, 2.9x zoom. But if you want to go further than that, I would advise you to actually start with the zoom. Or for example, if you know that you will be editing the video in post, you can always try to edit this little swap out, because I would say it might look kind of unprofessional, and it is clearly visible, it is clearly visible in the recording that our camera kind of shifts a little bit, as you can see here. And also, when you're on maximum amount of zoom, when you are changing your phone rapidly, like if you're doing it slowly, it looks fine, but the moment you're doing it pretty quick, you are kind of losing the ability to see when the camera will actually move and what it will see. So you want to be pretty careful about that as well. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.